Hi all, now I am going to explain about UTS application. This is for booking the unreserved tickets. No need to stand in the line. We can directly book using this application. So this is the journey ticket from where we need to book the ticket. We need to depart from like which station. We can select book and travel paperless. This is the best option. Book and print paper is also there, but if you are showing in the mobile, this is the option we need to select. And then we need to depart from which station, like if you are selecting this Ongol to any other station, nearby station, so you can select like this and you can click on here, get the fare for the trains. Here we can select the option, like if you are availing some concession, then you can check here, or else it is not required. You can disable the option, and here you need to select the train type, like which you are selecting ordinary. This is for the general ticket, not reservation. So you can select here super fast, then it will show the option. So this is from Ongol to Chirala. The ticket fare is around 45, and we can check here. There is an option to book ticket. So if we click on book ticket here, it will show like other payment method. Then you can book the ticket. As of now, I am not booking. So there are lot of options for the payment also. And you can also book the platform ticket. This is also we can book paperless, and we need to select which station you need to book the platform ticket. It will show here the fare, and you can book the ticket from here also. And here we can check the booking history if you have booked any tickets, and this is for the cancelling of the ticket. If there is any transaction, if you don't want the ticket, you can cancel from here. And for showing the ticket, here you can go and show the ticket. If it is not syncing, you can click on that option. This is just for knowledge and not a promotional video. And there is an option for the season ticket, so you can select here paperless, and you can click on issue ticket. If that season ticket is getting expired, you can click on renew ticket.